Hi guys! Kamusta? Jen here. Excuse my face, I look really tired, but I have an exciting unboxing to do. So the Galaxy S10 is here, and I'm excited to show you what's inside the Galaxy S10. So I got the S10 and the earbuds. This is also a free one, the hand grip. And they also have a free Nano Fixbit and the Galaxy Watch. Oh, I'm so excited. So bakit ako excited? Because I've been with Samsung since its first Galaxy, and ever since I've been a Samsung. So my very last or recent phone is the Samsung S7 Edge, and I specifically waited for the S10. So let's go and unbox the S10 stuffs. So let's start with the S10. So this is already open because it came from Globe, so we tested it. So the box is like this. The S10 Plus comes with a plus sign. So this is just the standard S10. So as you can see, yung S10 letters has iridescent color, so it changes. And this is what's inside. So it greets you with the phone. And yeah, we tested it also. So I got the white one. And as you can see, it also changes colors. So very pretty and nice. So inside the box you get the charger. This is a matte version. So yung previously medyo shiny siya, so this one is matte. You also get the parang connector to a USB port so that you can transfer files. So I tried transferring my files from my old phone to the new phone. And this is the Type-C cable. Yeah. And then you get an AKG earphones, which is so nice because AKG is a nice brand for earphones. It's not plastic, it's current cloth type, and then at the end it's the rubber type, and this is the ear plugs. Comes with free ear attachment, so you can replace this if you need bigger or smaller. Yeah. So that's it for this side. So wala na siyang laman. So you get again the earphones, the charger, the wire, the plug, this one, and the beautiful phone. And at this side, you will have the pin, so you can insert the SD card and the SIM card. So they came with a free clear cover. This one's made of plastic, which is nice. So when you put your phone, you can still see the nice iridescent color at the back. Yeah, so very nice grip. So if you're wondering why I got the S10 and not the S10 Plus, because I think I have a small hands, so I have a better grip for the S10. So this one, just the quick start guide and the warranty card, which I don't know if I will read. I don't know if anybody does. So, ito meron din siyang free with the, when nag-pre-order. So, meron siyang nano fixed bit, free insurance for the cracking of the screen. So, the value is 10,000 pesos. Meron din actually siyang kasama na 10% discount, which I used to purchase the Galaxy Watch. So, I'll go there later on. So, let's check what's inside of the Galaxy Buds. So, this came free also nung nag-pre-order. So, yan. Yeah, it's so nice. It's like a pill. Then, when you open, you get the buds. So, nandito siya. It charges pag nasa case siya. Yan. And then, you can also charge wirelessly through your phone, which is so cool. Quick trivia lang, guys. Yung Galaxy S7 Edge, actually, it started from S6, Samsung S6. You can charge wirelessly through this phone. Very cool. So, what else is inside the Galaxy Buds? So, you get the, I think, the paperworks. And, wow, the wire. And some more attachments for the earplugs. Yeah. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's proceed with the hand grip with Bluetooth shutter for Galaxy. I actually don't know what this is, but it came free as well for the pre-order promo of Galaxy S10. Oops, what's that? So this comes with parang a handle lang, and then comes with a battery, and it comes with a grip. So yeah. So this is the hand grip with the Bluetooth shutter. So parang ganito pala siya. So you need to pull it out. And then once you put the battery, you just, I think, click so that it will trigger the shutter. Yeah. So I've cleared the table so that we can make way for the Galaxy Watch. So here you go. So this is the box. I got the 42mm Bluetooth version because LTE is not available here in the Philippines yet. Maybe someday they will. So it will sync nicely to the phone. So nice. So I got the rose gold color. So this is the watch. It's pink. It's pale pink, which is my favorite color. And the rose gold. It's very nice. So let's see what's inside the box. So there's two compartments. This is the charger from one side, and the other side is the charging pad. So you can charge it like this and then put the watch over here and then it will charge. So cool. And then this one is an extra strap. Yeah, it's an extra strap. So I think one is longer and one is shorter. And the warranty card. By the way, guys, the Galaxy Watch Active, which Samsung has released this year, is not available yet in the Philippines. So I opted for the Galaxy Watch, which is still more beautiful for me because this one has a rotating bezel, which is so nice to the touch. And yeah, so that is it. This ends the video for the unboxing of the Galaxy S10 and some accessories such as the Galaxy Buds, the hand grip with Bluetooth, and the Galaxy Watch. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll answer them next time. Thank you. Bye.